Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to send USDT from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're trading crypto or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. First off, why do this? Phantom Wallet is a popular choice for Solana-based assets, and KuCoin is a top exchange for trading. Sending USDT allows you to quickly convert or invest your stablecoins. But remember, crypto transactions can involve fees and risks, so always double-check everything. Let's get started with the prerequisites. You'll need a Phantom wallet set up on your device with some USDT in it and a verified KuCoin account. Make sure you're on the latest app versions to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025. Tech moves fast. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Log in securely with your password or biometrics. Once inside, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the USDT token from your asset list. Phantom supports multiple networks, so ensure it's on the correct one, like Solana or Ethereum, depending on your USDT variant. Step 2. Hit the Send button for USDT. You'll see a form pop up. Now, head over to KuCoin. Log into your KuCoin account, go to the Assets section, and find your USDT wallet. Click on Deposit to generate a unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, it's case-sensitive and network-specific. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the KuCoin deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but don't forget to leave enough for network fees. Review the transaction details, including the estimated fees and final amount. If everything looks good, confirm the send. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a few hours to confirm, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your KuCoin balance to ensure the funds arrived. A quick pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you send USDT from Phantom to KuCoin in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.